How's it going, guys? Today we are gonna talk about this operator. Do you remember when we talked about the spread operator? Yeah, it is the same way. We gonna use spread operator in an list operator. So what we're gonna do? Let's begin. We will pass an argument and make that use with and spread operator. So after that it gonna show that, and we're gonna log the console.out. And so as you can see, it's an array. It will change into an array. What if we remove the spread operator? It will show only the one because the other are invalid. This is what we are showing. When we use this spread operator, it will become the rest operator. So let's make that program with this rest operator. So let's begin. And now when we use args dot reduce, yeah, I didn't talk about reduce. I will be talking about it later because I didn't have time to do that. So don't you worry about that, and I will link the reduce method with this video, so don't you worry. And let's do that. Pass both argument. If you are familiar with the other languages, you will understand what I'm doing. So when we do that, it will do the same program with this. So think about a situation. You are in a mall and you want to add all the prices and discount other out. So what we're gonna do is make that make that out. So discount as a first argument, and what we're gonna do, we will make into a decimal format. So discount equals discount by 100, and after that we're gonna change this into a constant of total, and equal that out. After that, what we're gonna do, return total into bracket 1 minus the discount. So what's gonna happen is it will make that same thing. So first we pass the discount, let it take as a 10%, and what we're gonna do, prices 200 comma 300 comma 400. After that, when we do that, we will get the total prices with the amount. So this is how we're gonna make an shopping cart account with an arguments. And now we're gonna important thing I'm gonna show you is, if you pass an argument after that, after the this operator, it not works. So pass. So what's gonna happen, it will get an uncaught error because you can't make any parameters after the rest operator. So keep this in mind, and that's it for today's video. See you guys next time.